Are you asking if they're comfortable? Yeah, man, they're totally comfortable. You know what's funny though is, for the first 2 seasons, I think it was Grace complaining about it more than I did, but they didn't fit me at all. They were not very long, so it looked like I was wearing it looked like I had it rolled up. That's weird. We walked around set all the time, we were doing it, and we were like this. Because it came up like above my belly button all the time. It was horrible. So they finally like custom made a long one that sort of fit.
Nice. And then the other. And then my other question was, on the set, were you a practical joker, and if you were, what jokes did you pull? And if you weren't, who was, and what jokes did they pull?
Wow, that's good. Yeah, not so much a practical joker. I like to have fun on the set, though. Yeah, I can been guilty of messing around and goofing around. A lot of us do, though. You know, I get asked this all the time. There hasn't been any real practical jokes we played. We're always just goofing off, though. We get really, really silly. Kind of ridiculous. Katie and I get, Katie and I have a lot of fun. Grace and I do too. Grace and I like roll around, talk around. We made this thing we talk about. We're 6 years old. We just kill each other. We think it's the funniest thing ever. Eddie's the first to goof around too, man. He'll pretend to pass gas. He's hilarious, man. He's funny. This is not really a practical joker on the team, but everyone's always joking around. James Callis is one of the funniest people you'll ever meet. James is always cracking us up, and if you're lucky enough to do a scene with James, then be prepared to laugh.
Thanks.
Thanks, buddy.